This is a picture of me when I was your age. Back then, I won the Everyday Yo-Yo Championship, doing tricks with this very yo-yo.
You did? That's amazing! What other tricks can you do?
Lots. There's rock the baby,
Yay!
walk the dog, and whenever I finished my yo-yo practice, it looks like a big plate of spaghetti.
Those yo-yo tricks would be perfect for show and tell. Can you teach me how to use the yo-yo, Mama?
Of course, Maya. We can start you off with a throw called a sleeper. First of all...
Uh-oh.
Not so fast, Maya.
Aww.
Hold your hand like this. Then bend your arm, lift and throw.
Hand like this, bend your arm, lift and throw. Aww. How can I show off the yo-yo if I can't do any tricks?
Getting good at anything takes work, Maya. I practiced every day for ages before I was good enough to be a yo-yo champion.
But I don't have time to become a yo-yo champion by tomorrow.
Why don't you keep looking in the boxes and see what else you can find? I'll help you.
No need, Mama. I just had a great idea.
It's the next day at school and time to see what Maya's brought for show and tell.
Next up is Mya Go. Maya, what have you got to show us?
I was going to tell you about an old yo-yo I found, but I didn't have enough time to practice, so I can't show it to you properly.
Oh, that's a shame. Did you bring something else?
Yes, I did. For show and tell today, I have brought my Mama. Mama Go, our real-life yo-yo champion.
Hello, children.
Maya has brought Mama Go to show off the yo-yo. Good thinking, Mya Go.
That was cool. I didn't know yo-yos could do that. Can you do anything else?
Oh, yes.
Yay! Wow! Ooh!
Oh, Mama Go is really showing what hard work and practice can do.